It's really snowing in Vancouver right now. There's the hospital where I'll drop dead. There's the pharmacy where I pick up my prescriptions. I also pick up drugs over there. This is Davie Street here. We're looking towards Thurlow, so that would be east. And move along here. The people walking by, they probably don't appreciate that. There's the KFC sign that doesn't move around anymore. And this week's Lotto Max is estimated at a whopping $50 million for two Max and Millions worth $1 million up for grabs. The weather outside is frightful. Oh, it's so delightful. Yeah, baby. As you can see, it's still snowing. See, it's really coming down. Woo! Whoa, and it's accumulating too. There's like at least 2 inches of snow has fallen. It's supposed to be raining by now, and it's not raining. The rain hasn't started yet. Whoa, and no one has shoveled our steps yet. We're gonna have to get on about that. There's the wall center over there. Yep, there's the hospital over there, and there's the molehill houses. I don't live in that house, or any of those homes. But I do live near Molehill. It's a mystery. Where does Orphan Gordy live? Ha ha! Ha ha! And the snow continues. And we'll be right back.